I didn't see you there, guys. How you doing? You go wipe y'all off a little bit. Boy Cam, Taylor's right here, as y'all can see. We're at 5 and Below right now. We're shopping for the hurricane, man. There's Hurricane Dorian that's on his way, man. We gotta shop for that guy, cause he not gonna leave. He not gonna leave us. He not gonna leave me hungry, thirsty, or nothing. You know what I'm saying? Never fold, cuz. You know what I'm saying?
Period.
You know what I'm saying? Don't ever get caught slipping, man. I'm bye. But yeah, man, say what's up to him. Say what's up to me. Say what's up to him. Say what's up to him. We shopping. What you wanna get? She said she wanna get some portable chargers.
I need to get another battery pack and another charger.
Another charger, a battery pack, man. We're gonna just get a bunch of stuff, cause he ain't gonna leave us powerless. He ain't gonna leave us hungry, man. You know what I'm saying, man? So
yes,
yeah.
He is.
No, because we're gonna have a battery pack. We're gonna have a generator. Stop playing with me. Yeah, we actually do have a generator. I ain't gonna lie to y'all.
You do?
Yeah, we do. I told you that.
My mom said that they were trying to get one.
Yeah, we bought one like years ago. I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah, use it.
He said. All right.
Yeah, use it.
Did we use it?
When the power goes out?
Yeah, we used it. That one was goated too. Look at Guy. Oh my God. I'm vlogging. What's up, bro?
Hey.
What's up, bro?
So how y'all doing today?
Right. Bro, we need to see. Hey. Bro, bro, what the freak?
What are you doing?
You just gotta work. You didn't have working in your tummy? What the freak, bro? You green. Bro, it's nice seeing you, bro. I know I can see you here. What you doing? What y'all doing?
Just getting basketball. We're gonna play some basketball.
Oh, I'm trying to hoop. I ain't gonna lie.
Y'all wanna go hoop?
Nah, we with my sisters and stuff, so we can't really.
Yeah.
They back there.
Cameron, that lady was like in your video. She was like this.
For real? I didn't even know that. But yeah, man. Got Kai right here, man. Why you text me or nothing?
Where am I?
You can't text me when you off work.
You're gonna be at your apartment without power.
Dang.
Bro, that hurricane's not coming.
Did you just say the hurricane is not coming?
Jenny's at 5 and Below.
Jenny's at 5 and Below. I was like, that was like Kai low key. And we seen you dead, bro. I didn't think I see Jet today. He looks so dusty. But yeah, man. Yeah, somebody hopped in my video.
Yeah, that she was like making an appearance.
I'm gonna cut her right off. I'm preparing for Hurricane Dorian. I was gonna say Matthew, stop playing with me. My fault. So you want chargers or do you want like?
I need one charger and then a battery pack.
One charger and a battery pack. Heard that. So I think that's gonna be universal chargers. No, it's gonna be on the other side. What's right here? Battery pack. What a battery pack? What? That's my sister right there, y'all. Why does she? But yeah, man. Taylor, we're gonna go do a video. They asking. See, she's so like, she never want to be on the camera, bro. And her friend here, she like, you're a freak, bro. Green. But yeah, man. You want to talk to him for a second? I've been recording for 4 minutes. I'm not cutting none of this out. We need all our minutes.
Find a battery powered one.
The battery powered one?
Like a battery powered
It's on the other side. It should be. Cause I could have swore I just seen some.
A battery powered extension cord.
Oh, you mean like a battery pack, right? You want to be what? Say what? Follow you on Instagram. What the heck? You ain't say her Instagram. Excuse her. Yeah, man. If you're in Jackson, if you're also in Florida, man, comment down below. Let us know how you feeling about the hurricane. Do you think it's gonna hit us? Do you think it's gonna affect us at all? Do you think it's even coming at all? Comment down below right now, man. Yeah. She can get some headphones too. Which one should you get?
Say Prime Audio.
Do you think you should get those wireless? Like take away your battery?
Maybe.
I mean, and then I could give you my
Hands-free. These have I don't know.
they are clean actually. You want some AirPods? So what? iPhone 6.
Bro, huh?
Taylor, just say what's good to them, bro. They want to see you on the channel.
They don't know me. They don't know me.
Just say hi.
No.
Say hi. I want to make a video with you though.
I don't care.
That's my sister, y'all. I said that like 15 times, huh? Is this a battery pack? Yeah, it is a charger. Yeah, look. It's actually pretty goated. Oh wait, no. What is you doing? I knew it was good to keep recording. Why did you do? Why'd you? I'm so sorry about that, sir. Sorry. Why did you throw that, man? Almost hit my dog.
Your daughter?
No, you hit the gentleman over here. Oh my goodness. She was risking it all. What the heck? What's this one? I don't want to stop recording at all. I like recording right now, actually. I'm feeling really good. I just got done pranking her, y'all. If you ain't see that prank, go watch it. She was really in her feelings. She even got out the car, man. It's tough, man. People can't take a prank, but want to prank somebody else all the time. It's prank wars over here, man. I'm by it. But yeah, man. I can't believe you just seen Kai. Kai, if you're watching this, I don't even think he's subscribed to the couple channel, bro. I don't think he is, because he hasn't commented on one of our videos. Kai, comment, huh? Bro, Jeannie or Kai, please comment on this video. Let us know if you're actually on the channel. Especially if he keeps shouting himself out of my videos. He better be watching.
Right.
He better be watching.
Say that on camera.
Oh, bro, we don't know what Pocky tastes like, bro. So we asked Kai and Jenny if they know what Pocky tastes like. She said that's racist, but I don't think it's racist.
Like, is it racist to ask them?
Race, huh? Race?
Is it racist because they're Asian?
I'm sorry.
Pocky is it Asian or is it just like?
I think it is Asian. It is.
Okay, so say Pocky is Asian. So and we know that they are Asian. We just go we don't know what Pocky tastes like. Do y'all know what Pocky tastes like because you're Asian?
Can I see your burger? This is a whole meme. We're trying to figure out what do we want to get. Should we just get individual trips or should we go to Walmart or Target and get a big old backpack? For her birthday, she bought a whole box of chips and we left it at Makai's house, bro. And she's calling him right now because I forgot to tell him, bring her chips, bro.
He don't text nobody back.
He don't text nobody back, bro. He don't talk to nobody, bro. But
he's so, like, we've just seen him. He's so fake. Hello? Wait, did Jay eat all my chips? Where you at? My brother and his sister for the weekend, it seems like.
It does, don't it? That boy looking after the fam. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So I guess we should just go to Target and get some bigger stuff.
What did he say about your chips?
He said they split the house.
They ate them joints, bro. He capping. Makai, can I get some of these? Makai, can I get some of these? Yes. Go ahead, son. Get some. I hear him saying that. Bro, where are the battery packs at though? They're playing. Taylor, what do you want again? Let's pay for that. And then we go to Target. You get worth of chips so you can hold yourself over while you inside all day. For the hurricane, you know what I'm saying? My camera cut off after it gets to like 10 minutes. I don't understand why. I need to fix that because especially when I'm trying to do pranks. I don't need my camera cutting off when I'm trying to do pranks. It got me messed up. What's wrong with you? Ooh, that focus, man. Hey, man, that focus, man. You know what I'm saying, man, huh? Talk to him.
It's so hot.
Talk to him. Let me hold your money.
Go pay for it. Man, I just feel like Makai needs to bring my chips. He's a thief.
What are you doing to them? Yeah. Here's your bank, big dog. How you living? How you living right now?
Lavishly. How much was it?
One more time for me. Yay, big baller. Big baller. Oh, what you doing to him? What you doing to him, dude? Hey, what else? Oh, you dropping money or not?
I thought you dropped it.
What's that?
You didn't drop
How much
it?
in that? I think somebody threw that over. No, that came out your pocket. I could have sworn. You banking. Show them what you got. How you living?
Lavishly.
Lavish. Heard that. We just got some chips, man. She finna, you know what I'm saying? Her parents already got waters and stuff, so she ain't really tripping. She just wants a snack on.
I am tripping.
God. Dog. Big dog. There's no waters in this bit. Nobody had time for Fiji today. Nobody had time for Fiji. Huh? Oh, why you giving me chump change, huh? My bad. My bad, chump change. My fault. I know better. Had to charge the valet. Huh? You said it was good? It's straight. What's up?
I'm not gonna say that on camera.
What you gonna say?
You need to turn it off. I didn't hear it beep.
Show the bag. Like. I don't even know if that's the word, but yeah.